The overall goal of this procedure is to perform synthesis at high pressure and temperature and to perform synchrotron microdiffraction characterization of the high-pressure phases. This is accomplished by first loading a sample at target pressure in a wide-opening diamond anvil cell. The second step is to heat the sample using a double-sided laser heating system. Meanwhile, the temperature is monitored by exploiting the emitted blackbody radiation. The final step is to collect diffraction data, adjusting the data collection strategy to the sample grain size, single crystal, multiple crystals, and powder. Ultimately, this allows a robust structural analysis of high-pressure phases and a comprehensive description of complex heterogeneous samples.
The main advantage of this technique over the existing methods, like resistive heating, is that it can reach to much higher temperatures under high-pressure conditions in a diamond anvil cell.
This method can help answer key questions in the geophysics and geochemistry fields, such as understanding the phases composing planetary interiors, their properties, and planetary dynamics.
These high-pressure and temperature synthesis experiments are performed at the Advanced Photon Source of Argonne National Laboratory, either at the GeoSoilEnviroCARS Center for Advanced Radiation Sources 13 IDD beamline, or here at the High-Pressure Collaborative Access Team 16 IDB beamline. The typical energy of the X-rays at these beamlines is 30 kV, and the beam size at the focal spot is about 5 micrometers by 5 micrometers full width at half maximum.